beautiful. You're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, so welcome back. In today's video, as you see from the title, I'm gonna be cooking. So I'm gonna be making lobster in red sauce. So if you want to see this video, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to clean your meat, wash your meat. I just wash it in plain water, but you can use some vinegar if you want to. And the ingredients that we're going to be using is garlic, cayenne pepper. We're going to be using black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, some unsalted butter, and 2 onions, garlic, and also some thyme. So first you want to go ahead, you want to wash your seasoning and you want to get them ready to cut up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my seasoning. As you can see what I'm doing. I'm only going to be using 5 cloves of the garlic. If you like this video so far, you can go ahead and like the video and also leave a comment down below if you ever cooked lobster before or if this is your first time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my onions. As you can see, I cut them real fine, and then my 5 cloves of garlic, and these are the seasoning. So I have 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 5 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. Now I'm gonna add my oil to the pot. So this is extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna just add my seasoning to make it a little soft so it can marinate in the oil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. So I'm adding 5 teaspoons of the garlic, and this is garlic mince. So I'm gonna be adding the garlic mince as you see right here, and then I'm adding 5 garlic cloves. Now I'm gonna add my butter. So I'm adding 2 sticks of butter, 2 sticks of butter, and I'm gonna just let that dissolve, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add all my powder seasoning. So this is what the mixture looks like, and I'm just gonna let it cook and thicken a little bit. Once the sauce is almost completed, I'm gonna go ahead and add my lobster. So now I'm just gonna add my lobster to the mixture. The stove is on low right now. You want to make sure that the stove is on low so you don't burn the seasoning or the sauce. And then you want to just cover the pot after you finish and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you want to just turn it on the opposite side. This is how it's looking. So now I'm gonna turn it on the opposite side so you guys can see it. It's boiling up, and this is how it's looking on the opposite side. It's cooked all the way on the opposite side. So now I'm gonna let it stay for an additional 5 minutes and it will be good to go. So to top this off, I'm gonna be using some plantain as my side. So I'm frying some plantains right here so it can go with the lobster. If you like plantains, so you are comment down below because I love plantains. And do you like yours a little bit burnt, or do you like it all the way yellow? I like mine a little bit burnt. So now let's get back to the lobster to see how it's doing. And as you can see, it looks like it's finished. So we're gonna just take it out and start plating the lobster. The sauce was so delicious. You guys have to try it. If you try it, you will love it. I can guarantee that. And make sure you give me an update. If you try it, make sure you give me an update and leave a comment down below and let me know if you like it or not. So this is the final result. I'm gonna just add up my plantains and you guys will see everything. This is a simple meal to make. If you guys want to try, you guys can try it, and I promise you, if you're gonna make it for someone's birthday or just a movie night with your spouse, your significant other, you will love it. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and I'll